Hello everybody and welcome to this overview of Remcos remote control and surveillance software. Remcos is a tool useful in many scenarios. With Remcos you can access and use your computers remotely, administrate many machines at the same time, supervise and monitor your computers. You can also use Remcos as a penetration testing tool, as a proxy and as an anti-theft software. In any of these cases, Remcos will suit your needs, and I will show you now some of its features.
Let's start with one of the most important functions, the screen capture. With the screen capture you can view and control one or more remote systems at the same time. Let me show you how easy it is to operate on multiple systems simultaneously. You can use your mouse and keyboard to control the remote systems. You also have plenty of options if you need. For example, you can save screenshots, change screen resolution, disable or enable your mouse movement, and much more. If you want to communicate with the remote users, you can send them a message or open a chat with them. With the File Manager, you can view and manage folders and files on your remote systems. You can also upload and download files, open them remotely, and much more. If you are looking for a file on your remote machines, you can use the File Search function. You also have the ability to search for a file on all of the connected machines at the same time. If you want to remotely monitor your systems, for example against unwanted usage or insider threats, Remcos offers you a wide range of functionalities to do so. You can view and hear the surroundings using the remote camera and microphone. You can monitor user activity, take automatic screenshots, view the browser's history, and much more. You can even set up a remote alarm, which sounds a siren as soon as somebody touches your computer or opens some specific applications or web pages. You can configure the alarm to sound a siren on the controlled system or set up a stealth alarm which just sounds on the administrator terminal. Another very useful feature of Remcos is the proxy function. With the proxy, you can tunnel your internet connection through the remote machines. You can connect any browser or application to the Remcos proxy. You can use this function to change your IP address and bypass geographic blocks and restrictions. From the control center, you can oversee all the details of a remote system. For example, you can view its hardware and software details, CPU and RAM usage, network informations, and more. You can also open any Remcos function from here. With the Process Manager, you can view and terminate processes on the remote system. With the Service Manager, you can view and manage services on the remote machines. For example, you can start services, stop them, or change their startup time. Next, we have the Registry Editor function. This offers all the functions of the Windows Registry Editor, but you can operate it remotely and without the need to open a remote screen session. You can add any type of registry value, edit them, delete them, and so on. The Installed Programs function lets you view the installed software on your remote machine, and you install it if you need. With the Execute Command function, you can run a system command on all the selected machines. In this example, we launch the calculator process. With the Command Line function, you can open a remote shell on the system and run any kind of command. The Remote Scripting function allows to execute custom code on all the selected systems at the same time. You can execute batch code, JavaScript, and Visual Basic script. With the Power Manager function, you can switch off the remote machines, restart them, hibernate them, or put them into sleep mode. This video provided an overview of the basic Remcos features, but Remcos also provides many more.